Hi, my name is Daniel Walter Scott, and in this video we're going to look at how to forward a domain. Now in this case we've got two domain names. We've got our greengardener.co.uk and greengardenersupplies.com. What I'd like to do is grab the .com version and forward it to the .co.uk. This just means if somebody goes to the .com URL, it's going to redirect them to that original home base website of .co.uk. This redirection service is available on all hosts, so you might need to find it within your host. But with GoDaddy, it's quite easy. We've logged into our account. We're going to click on Manage. Now, in our domain listings here, we've got our Green Gardener Supplies. I'm going to use this little drop down, and I'm going to have this one that says Forward Domain. Now, you get a few options. Okay, I'm going to click on Add Forwarding. Okay, so where is this .com going to go? It's going to go to greengardener.co.uk. So when somebody goes to my greengardeningsupplies.com, it's going to redirect them to this website. Now you've got the option of what redirection type. There's permanent and temporary. And most of the time it's this 301 permanent. That means that tells things like search engines and Google that this thing here always, greengardenersupplies.com always is going to redirect to this .co.uk address. And this temporary one here would be used if, say, you have some site maintenance or it's going to redirect just for a little while and then you're going to move it back. This tells Google that this is just a temporary change and it's going to change back in the future. Now, where it says forward settings, you've got two options, forward only and forward with masking. Forward only is going to be, let me give you an example. So my website, my bringyourownlaptop.com.au, if I enter that, that has got a forward, because you can see, watch the domain name change. It changes to the smaller the smaller byol.com.au. Now back here, that is a forward only, so it completely changes the domain name to the destination URL. Now this one here, forward masking, what would happen in this case is that if you enter this longer name, okay, bringyourownlaptop.com.au, when I click on this, it would retain this URL, but would show you this website here. Okay, now I don't have this set up for this one. I've got a full redirect. So masking hides where you're actually at, okay, and keeps that original domain name around. Now, there's pros and cons for both of those. I prefer the full forward. Okay, the masking, you might have a reason to keep that masking on. So we're going to do forward only in this case. Now make sure update name servers is ticked on, and now you click add. I don't really want to do my forwarding. I guess I'm showing you as an example. So I'm going to hit cancel in this case, but that's how you forward one domain name to another. One last note is that a domain name redirection can take a little bit of time for it to actually implement. So if you click on it now, you might have to wait up to from anywhere from a couple of minutes up until a full day before you go and hassle GoDaddy and say it's not redirecting, why isn't it happening? Give it a little bit of time just to make sure that it's got time to be processed and go through.